and today I am so excited because we are going to be decorating for summer. I have recently picked up a few pieces and I'm so excited to put them out for the summer months. At the change of each season, I just love to go through my house and my decor and switch it all out and kind of give my house a little bit of a refresh. It's definitely one of my favorite things to do. I'm definitely excited for today's video and to be able to show you guys all of that. And let's go ahead and dive into the video. The very first thing that I do when I'm decorating for a new season is go through each room in my apartment and clean everything up and wipe down all of the surfaces. I always decorate after making sure that everything is good and clean so that I know I am setting everything on a fresh surface and there isn't any dust left behind. I typically start in my kitchen because I find that once I have a clean kitchen, I feel so refreshed and much more motivated to clean up the other rooms. I love using natural cleaners, and my favorite is this Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. I'm using the lemon scent today and it smells so good. After I'm done cleaning with it, the space always smells so fresh. The scent is also my favorite to use during the summer, so it is perfect for today and it is really giving me summer vibes. The next step for me is to clean up my dining room. Once again, I am just cleaning up the candle and the spring flowers that I have set up here, and then I am wiping down the table and straightening up the chairs. Once I get to the living room, I am almost finished cleaning up. I typically straighten out my pillows and my blankets, and then I wipe down my coffee table. Now that my apartment is feeling clean and all of the surfaces are wiped down, it is time to start decorating. I am starting with this cute summer throw pillow I got from Etsy. I just love the bright colors in it and I feel like it gives my living room the pop of color that it is needing. Next, I am bringing out this white coffee table tray and I am placing this cute little plant and this sign that says Hello Summer inside of it. I brought out my Island Margarita candle and I'm trying to decide where to place it as well. Typically when I decorate, I will place things where I am thinking they will look cute, but then I stand back and look at it all together and change things around until it looks perfect. For my dining room table, I have this plain white vase and a bundle of fake tulips. I always love having flowers at the center of my table during the spring and summer months, and I think these yellow tulips are the perfect ones for summer. And for the kitchen counter, I have a couple of fun pieces. I have this colorful sign that says summer, another little plant that matches the one in the living room, and this fun white and gold pineapple. I always finish up my decorating by switching out my kitchen towels for fun seasonal ones. I have this cute set with a pineapple, which I thought tied together perfectly with the rest of the decor. And here is an overview of the finished decor. I am in love with how everything turned out, and I feel like all of these pieces together just adds so much color and warmth into the space. that is everything for today's video. I definitely love how all of the summer decor turned out, and I am definitely feeling the summer vibes a little bit more now, and I hope you guys are too. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and of course subscribe if you haven't already, and I will be back next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!